In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Payhip store to your YouTube channel. By integrating these two platforms, you'll create a more dynamic and interactive experience for your customers, showcasing your products with engaging video content that can catch their interest and enhance their purchasing journey. So without further ado, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate over to your Payhip account and access your products page. This is where you can manage all the items you're offering to your customers. Once you're logged in, look at the dashboard and locate the tab labeled Products. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then see a list of all the products you've uploaded to your Payhip store. Next, select the specific product you want to edit. Think about which product would benefit from having a video explanation or demonstration. If you have a video ready that showcases this product, that's even better. Click on the product name to open the product editor. This is where the magic happens, and you can tweak things to better appeal to your buyers. Once you're inside the product editor, you'll need to toggle the product description into HTML view. This might seem a bit technical, but don't worry, it's a simple step. Look for the option that says Switch to HTML view. It should be clearly visible in the description area. Essentially, this step allows you to embed the YouTube video directly within the product description, taking advantage of HTML code to seamlessly integrate multimedia into your page. Now it's time to weave in the YouTube video you've prepared. Go to the video on your YouTube channel that you would like to feature within this product's description. Under your video, locate the Share button, and from there, click on Embed. You're going to see a piece of code pop up. That's your embed code. Copy this snippet. It's a small line of code that tells your Payhip store how to display the video right where you want it. Return to your product description in Payhip and paste the embed code where you'd like the video to appear. You can place it at the top of the description for maximum visibility, or perhaps below a bit of text introduction. It's all about what you think will best capture your customer's attention right away. Finally, it's crucial to save your changes before leaving the page. There should be a Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page or near the top right corner. Click it to ensure all your new content is securely updated on your product page. Refresh the page to double-check that your video displays properly within the product description. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Payhip store to your YouTube channel, making your product listing more vibrant and informative. This method can help attract more eyes to your products and may enhance customer engagement. Thanks for watching today, and I hope this guide was helpful in setting up your Payhip store for success.